Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp Web Media not downloading. So, if WhatsApp Web won't download photos, videos, documents, or other media, it's usually caused by browser settings, poor connection, or temporary glitches. So, here are ways to fix that. So, first is to refresh WhatsApp Web. So, click this refresh or reload button. And once done, go ahead and try again and see if that works. Next is to check your internet connection. So go to the bottom right corner and click the Wi Fi icon. So double check if you're connected to a stable connection. You can also switch to another network. You can try connecting to a data or something like that. Next is to verify your phone is connected. So WhatsApp relies on your link account. So ensure your phone is connected to the internet and your WhatsApp account is active. Next, so clear your browser cache. So click the three dots in the top right, then go to delete browsing data. Now here choose the time frame, then go to the bottom and click cache images and files and also cookies. Then click delete data to confirm the action. So go back to WhatsApp Web, refresh the page, and see if that works. Next is to allow downloads. So check whether your browser is blocking downloads. So open your browser settings. Then in here, so go to downloads or site settings and make sure downloads are allowed for WhatsApp Web. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.